In Fingertip, we are transforming the way decisions are made by providing them a platform to work in a structured environment. But there's another abstraction level above decisions. It is called plan. Fingertip plans allow you to gather all decisions along with any other fingertip item into one structured view. And the purpose is simply to have, well, a plan. In this video, we will show you how to use fingertip plans and the simple features weaved into the plan framework. Let's start by creating a new plan. First, click on the Plans tab on the main navigation bar. In this screen, you can see all the plans in your organization that you have been included in. To create a new plan, simply click on the New button on the top right-hand side of your screen. Now let's give the plan a title. Then describe what the plan is all about. Next, enter a start and end date. This is important because otherwise the plan would show under no deadline in the overview, making it difficult to find, and we all know, out of sight, out of mind. We then add people to the plan in the same way you add people to a decision. Please remember, a person who is added to a plan will only see the decisions they are also a part of. Once you are ready, click to save. Your plan is now created. Now let's fill it with content. To add an item to a plan, first click on the action arrow on the top right-hand side of your screen. Here, click on to Add Item. In this pop-up, first select the type of the item you wish to search for. You can add any item you want to the plan. It is really anything that you have in your fingertip you would want to see in your plan. Decisions, additional plans, tasks, accounts, contacts, you name it. Let's start with a decision. Start typing the name of the decision that you want to add into your plan. Once you locate it, click on it. You may add as many different items as you want, and once all items have been selected, click on the Add Items button. Next comes sections. To add a section to your plan, again, click on the action arrow on the top right-hand side of your screen and select Add Section. Give your section a name and select your preferred color. Once you are done, click to save. Remember, whatever you add to the plan is added to the bottom, but you can always drag it around. We add sections in order to logically group plan items together and provide structure to our plan. The plan has many different functionalities that we won't go into in this introduction, but we will show you one cool feature of plans. In order to get more out of the plan, you can always switch to the Advanced Plan option by selecting it from the action arrow. Here you can benefit from 7 different viewing options. These views are specifically developed for running your organizational meetings, managing your projects, and your financial planning needs.